package with no damages. This mirror comes with a high quality, rust-free aluminum alloy frame. Came with all the accessories and was very simple to install. It actually looks pretty nice set over the table. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the bathroom. The installation was short and sweet. I bought the small one, so I installed it vertically, but if I would have gotten the bigger one, I could have done it horizontally. Now my favorite part was the settings. It has a front light and a back light and 3 different light levels, and you can also adjust the lighting. It even comes with a defogging system. Overall, this mirror is a 10 out of 10. It's a very great price and it's beautiful.